Let's discuss about the biomedical waste. Biomedical waste generated during diagnosis, treatment, or immunization of human beings or animals, or in research activities, or in the production or testing of biological. It comes under Ministry of Environment or Forest and Climate Change. What is the latest guidelines which is in 2017 to 2018? There are the four categories of the waste and disposal. Here you can see the waste categories and examples and the treatment of options. First, the human anatomical waste, example placenta, gallbladder, appendix, and the amputated fingers, and everything we need to treat in incineration and the plasma pyrolysis and deep burial. Like anatomical wastes, same like anatomical wastes and human wastes are the same, and the solid wastes like gauze pieces, bandages, dressings, swabs, and cotton. And in the fourth, the chemical waste is the disinfectants, and fifth is the discarded medicines, expired drugs, and the cytotoxic drugs, which is incineration and the plasma pyrolysis and encapsulation. And in the sixth, the liquid chemical waste, formaldehyde, example chlorhexidine, etc. We need to treat like a chemical treatment followed by putting into the drain. And in the seventh, microbiological waste, the culture media toxin, live vaccines, uh, and also the bed linen, mattresses, and bedding. We need to do example incineration ash. Everything we need to do in the non-chlorinated chemical treatment is followed by the incineration. Note, this is all will put into the yellow waste bag. It is biohazard. There you can see the biohazard symbol. This is all will put into the red bag. Red bags, which items will keep in the red bag, we'll discuss. Like waste categories, recyclable waste, rubber, plastic, example tubings, catheters, empty saline bottles, cannulas. Treatment option, autoclaving, microwaving, hydroclaving, and also these three are destroy or shredding, and they produce the energy recovery and fuel oil, and they will use in the road makings. And also this will keep what items will keep in the blue color waste bag, like glassware and the metallic body implants. Glassware examples, slides, media plates. In microbiology we can use like, and the wheels. And in the metallic body implants, like stents, hearing aids, and dental implants, and nails, plates, orthoplates, everything. And here treatment of option is the chemical and followed by the autoclaving or the microwaving or hydroclaving, and then recycling. What is the white color bag? Waste bag will keep in the sharp waste, example needles, surgical blades, scalp, syringes with fixed needles. Treatment, autoclaving and dry heat shredding, mutilation, and landfills. What is incineration? Incineration is nothing but the high temperature dry oxidation. More than 1200 degrees is seen in the incineration will heat the waste at very high temperature. What are the contraindicated for the incineration is polyvinyl chloride, which is the plastic waste, pressurized. Second one is the pressurized gas container. Third one is the heavy metal container waste. Fourth one is the radioactive waste like X-rays, and fifth one is the reactive chemical waste. What are the autoclaving? The heating at a temperature 121 degrees Celsius for the time period of 60 minutes at a pressure of 15 pascals unit. The steam and steam under high pressure. What are the hydroclaving? The steam under high pressure 121 degrees to the 131 degrees. The microwaving is nothing but the wavelength is 12 nanometers, 2450 megahertz. Microwave will destroy waste and clean waste. What is the plasma pyrolysis? The transforming solid waste into the gas form. Here we can use the temperature more than 1200 degrees. What is energization? The conversion of large volume of toxic waste into the non-toxic waste. We will add here 15% of cement plus 15% of lime plus 65% of parasitical waste plus 5% of water. And what is encapsulation? Is nothing but the coating of toxic waste with inert materials. What if HIV infected material disposal, where what we have to do? Treatment with 1% sodium hypochlorite solution plus categorized waste and dispose dustbin, yellow color. Yes. Mercury disposal, what we can do in the mercury disposal, we can recollect, recycle and reuse. What we will do in the blood spills, treat with 1% sodium hypochlorite solution. What is the PPE kit? PPE personal protection equipment kit. There are two pairs of gloves, face shield, goggles, masks, gown, shoe cover, head cover. Donning sequence for PPE: the first pair of gloves, then gown, body cover, overall, and then shoe cover, and then mask, and then goggles or face shield, and then head cover. Second pair of gloves and outer gloves we need to keep. What is the doving of sequence of PPE? The way you remove the dress, the first remove outer gloves and the second pair of gloves, and then a gown or the body cover, and then a shoe cover, and then head cover, and then face shield or the goggles, and then mask, and then inner gloves, and then first pair of gloves. Disposal of PPE kit: first goggles or face shield or the gloves we need to put in the red bag, and then the body cover, gown, mask, shoe cover, head cover, everything we need to keep in the yellow bag. Examples and where we need to dispose it in. For example, the urine bags and catheters we need to keep in the red bag, and the blood bags we need to keep in the yellow bag. And empty blood bags after blood transfusion, everything blood related to blood we need to keep in the yellow bag. And gloves we need to keep in the red, and glassware we need to keep in the blue, scalpel we need to keep in the white, chemical waste we need to keep in the yellow, gloves soaked in the blood, red bag, but before putting 1% sodium hypochlorite solution. Yes, we need to. And expired drugs we need to keep in the yellow, cytotoxic drugs we need to keep in the yellow, placenta we need to keep in the yellow, vaccine vials we need to keep in the blue, appendix we need to keep in the yellow because it's all related to the human and anatomical waste. And the needles we need to keep in the white because it's a sharp such type of things. And also this solid waste, cotton soaked in the blood, everything you can see here, everything related to the blood we need to keep in the yellow. And the gauze piece of soaked in the blood, everything we need to keep in the yellow. So